starting on the globe for a little spaceship, an alien spaceship, because those are like the main things I make are little alien bodies or spaceships. I do small animations that involve alien abductions, so I tend to make a lot of little tiny spaceships. It's so nice to hold something in your hand, and you have a certain amount of care with something small, but also it's compact, so you can take it with you. It's something that can be very intimate and quiet, but also something like really powerful because of its tiny stature. Like imagine, a cheeseburger, but a miniature cheeseburger. Oh my God, so cute, so adorable, just lovely. Yeah, and you can collect more when it's tiny. You can have a 100 of these very tiny little UFOs, and it's awesome. So magical, just hanging in your window. Really fun.